So I'm out here doing yard work and I saw what I thought were feathers of a dead bird. And then I saw it's the whole body of a bird. And then I saw, oh wait, it's not a dead bird. That bird is looking at me. Hi bird. It is hiding down in the pine straw. I don't know what kind it is. I'm thinking it's a turkey. So I don't want to bother her. Hi bird. I'll leave you alone. I think it's the mama that's nesting in our bushes. I'm seeing if it's going to go back to where I think it's going to go. Confirmed. It is a turkey living in our bushes.